All right, here we go. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Put your feet out in front of you. Just keep them out in front of you. Hey, that was a lot closer than I thought you'd get, I have to say. You alright? Are you alright? You okay? Say okay.
Yeah.
Alright. He's alright after sliding about... Huh? But dude, look at the fucking dirt. It looks like straight water. It's like a water slide. You okay? While you're moving. Oh shit, let me get the gas.